DSTV Decoders
Okay,
and TV repairs.
So the machine must stay on your neck.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So that I can see where what is showing here.
Ah.
You see? Then I'm going. Then I change here to unicable because this one is a smart element. Settings. Then okay.
Did they put me
here?
Call 06597 to 879.
Come in. Then I check number 13.
Yeah.
I will use 13 and number 10.
Right. Okay. So for all the sizes, it's just number 13 and number 10.
Depends, but.
And we also need a flag, a star.
You see now,
okay, who's talking? Flat and what?
Star.
Okay.
Now I'm setting, ne?
Yeah. Okay, you setting signal or you playing with the dish?
Yeah. You see?
Okay, what's that sound for?
It's a signal sound. This one.
Oh.
Signal.
Okay,
From the satellite.
Yeah.
Yeah. You see?
We don't know where's the satellite.
I don't see the satellite there. Okay, no satellite.
But you know the satellite is there in the what
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
How sure you are that you found the satellite?
So that is why we are using this. So,
Okay, so it must make noise, Benjamin.
yeah.
Huh?
DTT is a signal.
Oh.
We specialize with new DSTV OpenView, StarSat installations, signal alignment, reinstallation, extra view, and etc.
I'm fussing here.
You what?
I'm fussing.
Oh, fussing.
Oh, fussing.
Alright, faka intambo yakho ukuthi ihambe kahle lapho ne. Okay. So manje mawishile ngakwenzakalani?
Right. You must do a good job.
A good job, ne?
So that the customer must be happy. Don't leave the customer unhappy.
You don't leave the customer unhappy.
Hey.
Okay, Benjamin.
You must have peace.
You must have peace. Step-by-step wizard for the installation. Okay. Step 1, step 2, step 3.
Quick setup. Decoder settings.
Right, that's step 5 now. Hey.
Yes.
So you're searching for the channels.
Yeah.
Okay.
Give just a few 15 seconds.
15
1,
seconds.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Ah, and that was 15 seconds, Danko. So it goes straight to channel 100, hey.
I will cancel the upgrading.
Right.
Because it's taking time. It takes 15 minutes to loading the upgrading.
Right.
Cancel. So now 191 to see the channel is open. No open because we have to call.
So it says this channel is blocked because there is no active subscription. Why is that?
Because we have to activate the decoder. The decoder is not active.
All
So
right.
we have to call now to the call center, multi-choice call center to activate the decoder. So the customer already have an account. So what we're going to do, we're going to move this service on this whole decoder to the new one, to the Explorer, so that the customer can enjoy the subscription with PVR function, recording and rewinding. Please visit our page on Facebook. Just go search, then search DSTV Decoders and TV repairs is already here. Our page DSTV Decoders. Thank you. This is our page with 885 followers. Thank you, Facebook.